Hi everyone and welcome to our Maths from Pi Chapter 5 Congruency, Enlargement, Compile, Transformation. One of the chapter that is very easy for you because if you know what is reflection, translation and rotation, then this chapter you can continue to learn more about transformation. Okay, so now let us to focus in our first topic that is called congruency. Okay, so congruency is like this. Okay, even though the shape already turn, already rotate in different angle, in different different position, but still if the angle or the length of the corresponding side angles are the same, that we call as the congruent. They are congruent. We see if the angle here and here, if the angle is same or the side is the same, two must be mean to be fulfilled, then you can say that is a congruent. They are congruent. So congruent if any corresponding side or angle of the first shape is not equal to second shape, both shapes are not congruent. Jika satu daripada panjang sisi sepadan atau sudut sepadan yang tak sama antara dua bentuk, maka kedua-dua bentuk itu bukan congruent. And congruent, we can use for triangle. Why? Because triangle congruency has their own characteristics. So actually I make this one in Chinese version. But in English I cannot help you. Need to have fun this one. So I prefer you to have fun in English because you see the BM, all the letters start with S, so it's very hard to remember. So prefer you remember in English lah, English more better. And we have 6 characteristics. We have side, angle, 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 side, angle, side, angle. We have 6. So the side means all the three sides, the corresponding side are equal. Means the left hand side equals to left hand side. All their side is same as the beside one, even though their position is different. Side angle side means two corresponding sides is the same, but in the middle they have one angle. One angle is the same as the beside one, but their opposite is not. The same lah. Angle side angle, different thing. There are two angles same, but two angle and their middle is the this one side. Angle in the middle has side. This is how I remember for it. Angle has a side in the middle. Two angle, middle is a side. It is called angle side angle. Angle side means two angle make together and one side go out. Break out. With the side. The angle break out with the one side. Angle. Most easiest. All the angle same with the beside one. Side angle. Because the side already break up with the angle, so the side go to find another side to ask for convention for become a good boyfriend or girlfriend. And then because you see the side here, he or she saw it, so he become the another viewer. okay, he become the loneliest, okay, the only one, okay, side angle, okay. Untuk BM ikut increase saja lah. Sebab, okay, if you see this one, all the words start with the same alphabet, so I cannot help you with that. For Chinese version, if you are just watching the wrong video, please kindly go to for the Chinese explanation, not here. Okay, it is for congruency. Next, we will talk about enlargement. Okay, enlargement is a transformation in which all the points of an object move from a fixed point with a constant ratio. Means all the points, all the shape, all the points inside, okay, whenever he becomes big or small, they will move in a fixed point. Okay, and before that, okay, we call that, okay, the shape has a similarity like congruency, but the thing, how you determine these two has a similarity, okay, by using angle, okay, if given two angles, find one angle. If this angle is equal to that angle, so, okay, and you know about triangle, all the angles, sum of the interior angles equals to 180. So find one of the angle and you see if this angle is same as the another shape triangle, so we can say as a congruent. They are congruent, and you can also using length, okay, divide the length, okay, divide the corresponding side length, okay, use 2. If the answer you get is same as another one, then that is congruent, okay. But now enlargement, okay, the fixed point, we call that as a center of enlargement, P, and the ratio we know as a scale factor, okay, factor scalar, okay. And the formula for the scale factor is K equals to length of the side of image divided with the length of side of the object, image over object. This is how I remember for it, okay. And the K, the scale factor, has their own characteristic. If let's say if the K equals to 1, okay, the object and the image are the same, are the equal, okay, and they, okay, touch with the same point, okay, everyone also same thing, okay. If K larger than 1, more higher, the K more higher, okay, is more larger, okay. But if the K equals to -1, same side but they are opposite, the image is opposite, because negative. If the K is smaller than -1, so so we can say that it will be more larger, okay, it will be more larger, okay. If the K, okay, is smaller than 0 but -1, okay, must be smaller than K, so we can say it will be more smaller but in opposite side, okay. If K is smaller than 1 but must be larger than 0, then we can say that K will be more smaller for the image. Yes, for our Malay version, hope you can understand, okay. And now the next thing, okay, given a scale factor, okay, question asking you to find object or image, or given object or image, find scale factor, okay, that is the step you need to know, okay. First thing, okay, identify the center of enlargement. So how you draw, okay, if you're given two shape, one is object, one is image, so connect the corresponding points together. Okay, the first line connect the second line. Okay, more better third line. If all the line touches the same point, okay, intersect at the same point, that point we call as the center of enlargement. And next step, identify the scale factor. If given a scale factor, okay, no problem. If you didn't, do the formula. And then later, okay, this is, okay, the second step. Okay, if the question asking you to find scale factor, okay, just enough, then to move for next step. But if given scale factor, given object, to find image, draw image, how you do? The next step is here. Okay, if given that the scale factor and the center of enlargement, okay, and given object, and then what you do? Okay, draw the projection line from the center of enlargement to each vertex. So you will connect you connect all the points and then trying to find, okay, the ratio, okay, the scale factor is same. Okay, so later on you draw the image of object which has the same similar shape according to the scale factor. Okay, so this is how going on. Okay, this is going on. Okay, these four steps you need to remember for it. Okay, need to be remember for it. Okay, the Malay version is here. This is how we're going on. But sometimes, okay, actually the question asking you to, okay, find something. Okay, if this is a shape, right? Question asking you to find area of the image or the object. How you do? Okay, using this formula. Area of the image divided with the area of the object equals to scale factor, but you scale for it because you are finding for area. So the scale factor must times it with the same, okay, same scale factor. This is how to find the area of the image or the object, okay, given the scale factor. Okay, it is about enlargement. So we end for the enlargement. Next, we will combine it, become like this. We will combine all the topics that we learned before for transformation together, become a combined transformation. We know about translation, reflection, rotation, enlargement. And you need to know how to describe for it. And you need to know how to define the image or object, okay, by looking the transformation. And transformation can be done up in different transformation. We use AP to represent two transformation. It occurs sequentially. When we say that, means transformation B followed by transformation A. So we will start the transformation B first, and later on we'll move for transformation A. This is how the transformation going on. Okay, remember, if the question given, okay, find the image of the P, okay, under the transformation BA. You will start from A first, later on you start from B. And we can represent a combined transformation by the words below. This is one example. Okay, if A to A prime means from object to image. Okay, this we can say is a transformation. So A prime is an image of A under transformation P. And because we said it's a Gabungan transformation, means combine already. So we have two transformation. Okay, so we can say, okay, A prime prime is the image of A prime under transformation P. This is means P is transformed. The A is transformed two times with the same transformation. Okay, we can say an image of the triangle A under combined transformation P square is triangle T. And also, we can say that AB equals to BA if the image under the combined transformation AB and combined transformation BA are the same. Means when you do the transformation AB, the image you get, okay, is the same thing as what you get in BA. Okay. And now I will teach you how to describe the combined transformation. First thing, we need to know about four transformation, how to describe for it. Okay, for rotation, the degree either is anti-clockwise or clockwise at the center xy. Okay, this one you have 3 marks in exam because rotation you have 1 marks, anti-clockwise or clockwise another 1 mark. The degree also is same thing. Degree clockwise and anti-clockwise 1 mark, and at the center 1 mark. So together you have 3 marks. Okay, reflection on line either is given a number for the line or given a alphabet for the line. Okay, you just use for it, then you have 2 marks. Reflection 1 mark, line something 1 mark. For translation 2 marks also. Okay, translation 1 mark. The xy actually is how many steps you go, how many steps you go for x, how many steps you go for y, xy. Okay, berapakah langkah kamu pergi dari x dan y juga. Okay, x up, y down. Don't write in a coordinate form, itu salah sudah. For enlargement, this one I teach you. It's kind of like same as the rotation, but you some different. Enlargement at the center with the scale factor of k. Either you can write in scale factor k equals to or scale factor of something is acceptable. Okay. The answer is like this. Okay, you have the answer for that 1 mark. If not, no mark. Just like that. Okay, no need to use your bombastic English to write the answer. Just use your simple English to write it for it. Okay. And when we describing a combined transformation A and B, we need to describe the transformation B first. Question given like this. Okay, up here is the transform. Okay, what is the transformation for this one? Describe this transformation. Okay, B later on A. You need to describe for it. Either describe or you do the transformation. Okay, and later on you can do the question. Okay, for the next question. Okay, now we move for how to solve the problems involving combined transformation. Basically, the question you're asking like this. Okay, I given one object for you. Okay, I give you a transformation for you. Okay, either I already described for you or I didn't. If I didn't to do that, you need to describe for me. But if I already described for you, you need to do the transformation in the question. And later on, by using the formula, k squared equals to ai over ao, area image divided over L1 over area object. Then the one is finding for the area of the region. Okay. Sometimes the question is asking like this lah. Okay. For this one is the enlargement. Okay. I want to find this area. I given you this is a big area. That's a image here. I want to find the remaining area here, the shaded region here only. Okay, this region are the one. I want the that region only. Then you want to do. Okay. Okay, just using your common sense to answer for it. Okay, it is how the question going on. So actually we end for combined transformation. Now we move for a very boring topic, but actually it's extra knowledge for you. Okay, this one is translation. In exam, sometimes came up, sometimes no. But okay, in your normal exam, I think you came out for this chapter. Okay, translation is a pattern of the recurring shape that is fill a plane without leaving empty space or overlapping. Means all the shape is same. Their position is same. They put in a sequence. In a sequence, you see, for example, this one. Okay, pink color, pink color, pink color. Here also pink color. Here also pink color. If here is a orange, here must be orange. Okay, for this one, okay, if here got 4 octagon, here also got 4 octagon, here also got 4 octagon. A square is here have 3, here also have 3, and the middle one, etc. also will be 3 triangle. Like this, you see, all the direction is same. If this one goes down, this one goes down. Okay, this one goes up, it goes up. Okay, same color, same direction, but here you have one tessellation or one shape. Sorry, one shape that is not a tessellation. You know which is what is. Okay, you know where is the shape that is not a tessellation. Okay, the answer is this one. Okay, even though the position is a sequence, even though the shape is like this, but this one is not sequentially. It's just a square, so it is not a tessellation. So finally, we end for our topic. We conclude all the things that you know. Okay, so we learn about congruency, enlargement, combined transformation, tessellation. There are 4 subtopics you know. Okay, congruency, we know about the 6 things you know, and also for enlargement, the formula for scale factor, and using the scale factor, we can find for area of image by using the formula. And the enlargement is a quite new topic for you, and combine what you learned before, become a combined transformation. Then you know how to describe for it, how to calculate the area, okay, determine the object of our image, all things you need to know, and also finally translation. And I hope the exercise I given to you is helping you to get well, means get a well score in the exam. Okay, hope this video help you, and you'll see in our next chapter is called trigonometry ratio. Okay, it's quite different thing, but it's the same what you learn in MS from 5 to 6. Also same thing, but some different thing. Okay, so that's all from today. We'll see in the next class. Okay, goodbye.